How to do it.
Richard!
Hello.
Richard!
Happy birthday.
Oh, Richard!
Stand up, stand up. Get up. Surprise! Happy birthday. You alright? Okay. Are you surprised? Sit. Sit, sit, sit. Sit back down. There you go. How's that for a surprise? Can we turn the light on a little bit? Oh
There
no,
you
it's
go.
Jimmy Swaggart.
Naturally.
Can we put this down?
Answer, please.
You want me to answer? No, you answer.
Hello? What? Hey! Good, good. Let me give you back to Mom. Hold on.
Did she know?
I don't know. She knows.
Hello? Your brother just walked in with them. No, took him.
Good to see you.
Oh, what a surprise. Oh, my.
Hello? And she just handed me the phone. Hello?